In this video we will show you how you can create two types of under construction pages on a WordPress website, with or without a timer. There are many plugins that you can use to create an under construction page, and in this tutorial we will show you two, which in their free versions provide a lot of features. Probably the best plugin is this one, which has over 600,000 installations and a maximum rating. Install and activate the plugin. Now, in the Settings section, go to the Under Construction option to create and set up under Maintenance page. By default, Under Construction mode is turned off and we will turn it on. The second option is available in the Pro version. It is not necessary for us and we will skip it. Automatic End Date gives the possibility of automatically defining under construction mode duration, and here we will define the date and time. We will not change anything for Google Analytics tracking. Save the changes and go to the design settings. There are many templates, however, the more advanced ones are only available in the Pro version, and we will leave the default template. In the Content tab, this plugin has multilingual support and image compression, but in our case we will not use these options. The title and description that need to be defined here are related to the SEO title and description of the under construction we are creating. The default settings are okay, so we will not change them. Headline and content is the text shown to users on the under construction page, and it can be changed here. The font of the text can be changed, and there are also several advanced options that can be used. The last section on this tab is for social and contact icons. Here you can add URLs to your social networks, and on the under construction pages, icons of the social networks for which you have defined the URL will be displayed, and by clicking on them the user will be redirected to the defined link. Also, you can add some contact details if you want. The access part defines who will have regular access to the website during under construction mode. This is important in order to enable smooth development of the website and an overview of what is being developed. First two options for whitelist IP address and secret direct access link are available in the Pro version, but it is not necessary for us, so we will make the setting at the role level. Let's see how the under construction page we created looks like. Since we are logged in as a site administrator, and we have enabled the administrator to view the site regularly, he will see everything normally. Another plugin that allows us a timer on the maintenance page in the free version is this one. Install and activate it, and then go to the settings by clicking on Maintenance mode on the left side. As you can see, we don't have too many setup options here, but the basics are available. Turn on the under construction page, enable full screen mode, and finally define the duration of the maintenance mode based on which the timer will be displayed on the page. In the second part of the settings, it is set to whom the maintenance page will be displayed. Message fields allow defining the text that will be shown with the timer. Background type and background image, if you have selected an image as background type, should be set here. We will not change anything, but will use the default view provided by this plugin. Save the changes and let's take a look at how the under construction page looks from the site visitor's point of view. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.